Long ago, before Ghana became independent, the land was called the Gold Coast.
Wow!
Many strong kingdoms and communities lived together and traded with visitors from far away.
Fresh fish from the sea.
People came from Europe to trade on the Gold Coast.
Look, more visitors have arrived.
The British wanted gold, cocoa, and trade opportunities.
You are welcome to our land.
The people of the Gold Coast had their own laws, traditions, and leaders. Our chiefs protect our people and keep peace.
Sometimes, disagreements happened between communities.
This road belongs to our people.
No, our traders used it first.
Chiefs often solved problems by talking and listening. We must settle this peacefully.
The British also wanted peace, so trading could continue safely.
We must protect the trade routes.
One important British leader was Commander George McLean.
We must work together with the chiefs.
Cape Coast Castle became an important place for meetings and trade.
That building is so big.
Important chiefs were invited to discuss peace and law.
Chiefs from different states traveled to meet the British.
Make way for the chiefs!
Communities welcomed guests with kindness and respect. Everyone must eat before the meeting starts.
The meeting was serious because it would affect many people. We want peace for our people.
Too many robberies and fights are disturbing trade. The British wanted stronger laws.
Some roads had become dangerous for traders.
Help! They have taken our goods!
People wanted safety and order. Our children must be protected.
Peace is important, but we must protect our traditions too.
The chiefs thought carefully before agreeing.
The decision was not simple.
If there is peace, trade and farming will grow. The British promised support for law and order.
Many people hoped peaceful communities would help families prosper. This harvest looks good.
Safe trade become busier and stronger. I will buy 2 baskets.
The chiefs and British talked about how serious crimes should be handled.
Murder and robbery must stop.
Traditional leaders already had ways of solving problems. Both sides must speak the truth.
The British also introduced their own style of law. The law should treat people fairly. Young people watched these important events carefully.
History is happening.
Many communities hoped the agreement would bring peace.
The leaders prepared for a historic agreement. Everything is ready, Nana.
The chiefs represented proud and respected states.
The British prepared the official bond. Bring the papers carefully.
On 6th March 1844, history was made. Important leaders gathered together.
Thank you for coming.
We are ready to listen.
The Bond of 1844 meeting officially began.
We want cooperation between the British and the chiefs.
The chiefs wanted peace but also wanted respect for their authority. Our people must be treated fairly.
Everyone hoped the agreement would reduce violence.
The agreement focused on serious crimes like murder and robbery. These crimes must be punished properly.
Some chiefs were careful and cautious. Will this change our power?
We want partnership, not conflict.
The meeting continued with respect and discussion.
Many ordinary people wondered what would happen next. I hope this brings peace.
For the safety of our people, we agree. The chiefs accepted the bond. This agreement became known as the Bond of 1844.
The leaders officially signed the agreement.
The British saw this as an important step. This will strengthen order.
Some people believed peace would now improve life.
British influence in law and government slowly increased. Traditional rulers still remained important leaders. We must guide our people wisely.
As time passed, British control became stronger. Trade and administration continued to grow.
Young people learned about these important changes. History helps us understand our nation.
The Gold Coast slowly moved closer to colonial rule. British authority became more powerful over time.
Not everyone agreed with the growing British control. We must protect our independence.
Even during change, daily life continued.
Families still valued culture and tradition.
The future of our land is changing. The bond opened the door for more British involvement.
The Gold Coast became more connected to Britain.
Why is the Bond of 1844 important?
It was an agreement between our chiefs and the British because it changed the history of the Gold Coast. It became the beginning of stronger British rule.
The agreement brought cooperation and change.
Some people saw the bond as a way to keep peace.
Others believed it reduced local independence. We must never forget our identity.
Through every challenge, the people kept their culture alive.
Many years later, the Gold Coast became Ghana.
Ghana gained independence on 6 March 1957.
Today, students learn about the Bond of 1844 to understand their history. History teaches important lessons.
We must learn from the past.
The Bond of 1844 shaped the future of the nation. Leadership, peace, and cooperation remain important today.
Every generation must protect Ghana's future.
History helps us understand where we came from.
And that is the story of the Bond of 1844, an important chapter in Ghana's history.
Proudly Ghanaian!